Hello, friends. It feels really good when someone remembers you, wishes you, and blesses you on your birthday. Thank you for this generosity and taking your precious time. In my journey, I have been constant learning. I keep on attending a lot of workshops and I learn a lot of new things. And I feel that if this knowledge I can share it out with you all, it will be really great. And hence, I'm coming up with a new initiative which is Life Skills Promoter. Over here, I'll be sharing training related updates. Few of the trainings might be paid, few of the trainings would be free. But even in the free workshop, a lot of information that I'm going to share is really worthful. So friends, whatever training updates you will get it. So training would be related to health and fitness, self-development, yoga, parenting, activities for children. Different artists, they will share their skill set, like hair and skin artists, vocal artists, they will share their singing talent. A lot of things are there in-house. So to get any of these updates, I'm sharing a link here with where you can share your contact details so that you keep on getting similar notifications on the training. As per your skill set, as per your liking, you can attend any of the training that you want. So thank you once again for sharing your blessing, and it feels that people are loving you. So thank you for this moment. In this compete world, let's not compete but collaborate and grow. Take care, friends. Goodbye. See you.